Have you bought a surround sound set only to discover that it can be very hard to hide the cables that run to the rear speakers? Running cables across walkways is dangerous, and it is not always possible to bridge the full distance with cable plinths. So can it be done wirelessly? With the Marmitek Surround Anywhere 220, you can connect your existing rear speakers wirelessly. And the fact that the data is transmitted uncompressed and digitally means that you retain the original quality without any disruptions or delays. So how does it work? Connect the speaker output from your surround amplifier to the digital audio transmitter using the audio cables supplied. Then connect to a power source. Connect both speakers to the digital audio receiver and plug in the power source. You can set the volume balance to precisely the right level during installation. The back speakers will then automatically copy the volume of the amplifier. The built-in amplifier means that this system provides sufficient power for your rear surround speakers. Result: enjoy perfect surround sound without having to run cables all over the floor.